Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm cleaning my own walls. As you can see, they are grimy as. Been letting them go just to get this sort of test out new techniques, new equipment and whatnot, and just sort of see different pressures, see how well it cleans really. Then you know, always learning really. So, but hopefully the grind makes it more of a satisfying video for you to watch. And yeah, I'll get cracking. Hope you enjoy. was fun. Them walls, I haven't cleaned them like maybe last year, maybe not, might have lied, but yeah, that come up well after that. Shot for the grime. Yeah, on to the next bit. It's going to rinse down. Some of them like there's still like algae and whatnot growing on, so I'm just going to treat that with some biocide. So just rather than sit there trying to tear the wall apart, just not going to get anywhere, if you know what I mean. But yeah, well happy. But the walls in general have cut so well. If you look where I stopped, I've had to gut up on for ages, like it just sort of pours on that wall. But they've got gutter spikes in them, so I can't manoeuvre them out. And it comes out the service charge, so may as well let someone else do it. Then we put a scaffold up. I don't know why I'd put spikes in, to be honest. Do absolutely nothing. It's pointless. But yeah, stoked with the job overall. Right, say hello everyone. Say hello everyone. But you don't like everyone. Right, okay, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so this is how to make a pizza with Theo. Theo, what do you do first? Alright, first we get the tomato sauce for the base. Look at that.
What?
Definitely more. Don't be shy, mate. Go for it.
I'm mixing it.
Yeah, you're mixing it. Help.
We help with that.
I can help you. Nicely.
Dad, it's all going.
Yeah. Just spread it, look.
Daddy's gonna spread it.
Daddy's going to spread it. Alright, no.
Okay.
Yep, not quite ready for that bit, but no.
It's all gone.
Hang on. Right, what's next?
What's next?
Cheese is next.
Cheese.
Cheese. Spread the cheese, little man.
Oh, Daddy, cheese.
Daddy wants some cheese? Yeah, sure.
Daddy's a mess. Daddy's a mess.
I'm the mess. Right, brilliant.
What?
Brilliant. Sure. Right. Let's get on to the ham.
What's Daddy's ham?
Daddy wants ham? Right. Do you know my hand is not a base?
Pineapple.
Let's finish the ham, but right. Pineapple. Is it a yay or a nay for the pizza? But it's good. It is pineapple.
Done.
Alright, you're freestyling now. Put whatever you want in it. Just pick the plate up. Might as well.
Mummy's turn. Mummy's poo-poo.
Oh, he's gone to the poo-poo. Oh, God. You just outed Mummy to everyone. Right. Wow.
Mummy's a phone.
Mummy's on the phone, yeah. Right. That's it. Job done. Straight in the oven, or?
Finished.
Oh, hang on, you've got your your bits and bobs. Boom. That's it. Spread it round on the side. Why not?
All gone.
You sure? Look.
Oh, that's a
Look.
Speedos. Speedos. Okay?
We're making videos, yeah.
Here's a
I don't know
video.
if you can see that, but
Here's a video.
it's very well spread. Masterpiece. Do you want me to spread it round, or are we just putting that straight in the oven?
Don't put that in your mouth.
Oh,
Oh. That's just the lid for my herbs.
we'll clean that.
Uh,
Right, so that's
yeah,
the
that
pizza making done.
I thought a bit like the videos.
We're going to make some videos, yep, later. And that's now going in the oven. Thanks for watching.
The oven.
The oven, yeah. Wave bye to everyone.
Look. No, nothing. Oh, thank you. I'll clean it now.